So truck accidents are a lot different than car wrecks or car accidents, and there's several reasons. One is, you've got a lot more regulations, or a lot of federal regulations that relate to drivers and companies and the hours that they can drive and having to prepare logbooks. And so, it isn't just a matter in a trucking case of looking at the scene and getting an expert out there and photographing it and doing the investigation to find out what happened, but we want to find out why it happened. It's important to look at everything, not just what happened at the scene, but you want to investigate the driver, the history of the driver. We'll really get to the bottom of it. The other thing we want to do too is we look at maintenance on the truck. Was there something about the truck, the brakes, the tires? So we want to get maintenance records on the truck. We want to get the personnel file for the driver. We want to get the safety record for this company. You've got, a whole another set of rules, regulations, and laws that apply to drivers. The training of drivers, hours of operation on the road, background checks. One of the things too, you got a professional driver. Professional drivers are held to a higher standard. They should be held to a higher standard. Drug tests. Were drug tests done on a regular basis? Was a drug test done after this accident? How long had that driver been on the road? When is the last time this driver stopped? So those are all things that go into the equation, not just what happened out there on the highway. There are also, one of the most important things, there are devices on these trucks, depending on the year of the truck, recording devices that give an incredible amount of data, steering input, speed, change in velocity. And these are all things that are critical in looking at a trucking accident case. If you're involved in an accident with a truck, one of the first things is to contact an attorney sooner rather than later.